DE is parallel to BC. Find EC and AD in the second side. First triangle, you have to calculate EC distance. Second triangle, you have to calculate AD distance. So here both they have given, in both the cases, DE is parallel to BC. So we have to use BPT. BPT is Amog. Yes. What is the statement? Unmute your mic.
In a triangle, line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersect the other two sides in distinct point and parallel to the third third side is known as the
Equals ratio. So here the mathematical statement, if D is parallel to BC in this triangle. So how you'll tell the ratios? In this triangle,
AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. EC, yeah.
AD is 1.5, DB is 3, AE is 1, and EC. 1.5 into EC is equal to 1 into 3. EC is equal to 3 by 1.5, that is 2. And the second case, here also D is parallel to BC. So according to BPT,
AD by DB is equal to AE by EC.
AD we don't know, DB is 7.2, AE is 1.8, and this is 5.4. So 18 ones are 18, 3s are. Second question is converse BPT. E and F are points on the PQ and PR, respectively of triangle PQR. For each of the following statement, state whether EF is parallel to QR. So this is a triangle PQR. E and F are the points on PQ and PR. E and F are the points on PQ and PR of the triangle PQR. So we have to check in all the cases whether EF is parallel to QR or not. So how to find out that? How can we say that is EF and QR are parallel?
Ma'am, if the sides of
If PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR.
So P by EQ. Let's find out. And PF by FR also we have to check whether they are equal or not, that we need to check. PE is 3.9, EQ is 3, so that means it is 39 by 30. It's 1.3. 1.3 is directly 1.3 by 1. And PF is 3.6, FR is 2.4. 36 by 24. 12 threes are 12 twos are. This is 3 by 2, which is 1.5. So PE by EQ is not equal to PF by FR. So therefore EF is not parallel to QR. So like that, remaining two also find out.
Ma'am, second case they are parallel.
Okay.
Ma'am, third also they are parallel.
Okay. Right.
Ma'am, do we have to do the third one right now?
No, I'm explaining.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I just go and come back for a second?
Okay.
Ma'am, I finished the third one.
Good. Then go forward.
Ma'am, even I got the third one.
So here, third one is AM by AB we have to prove is equal to AN by AD. So in that LM is parallel to BC and LN is parallel to CD. So we have to use two triangles ABC and ADC, BPT. In triangle ABC, LM is parallel to CB. So by using BPT, we will get AM by MB is equal to AL by LC. Now in this one, but we need AM by AB. AM by AB, the full side. For that, okay, first write this one. That is BPT. Then triangle ACD. Use again BPT. LN is parallel to CD. So we have to use BPT. AN by NC, ND, sorry, is equal to AL by LC. This is second. Reason is BPT. Now from 1 and 2, what we can say? AL by LC, AL by LC. So therefore, AM by MB is equal to AN by ND. This way we got, but what we need, AM by AB is needed and AD is needed. That means the full sides are needed. So we have to use the adding one property. For that AM we require. So therefore to keep AM, we have to take the reciprocal. Taking reciprocal, MB by AM is equal to ND by AN. Then adding 1. Adding 1 on both the sides. So it is AM plus MB by AM. That is equal to ND plus AN by AN. AM plus MB will become
AB.
AB by AM is equal to AD by AN. Now again take reciprocal. So it is AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. You can't directly take AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. You cannot take directly.
Ma'am, can you show the previous question, ma'am?
Question.
Ma'am, no, solution.
Okay, scroll down.
And this chapter is full of proving questions only.
Yes. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, fourth one.
Ma'am, done. Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me how to do.
Ma'am, first in triangle ABE, we can consider DF as a parallel to AE. So therefore, BF by FE is equal to BD by AD. That's first. And then second triangle ABC. AE is parallel to DF. So we can consider what's it? BE by EC.
No. In ABC triangle, which sides are parallel?
Ma'am,
Uh,
DE and AC.
D. Okay.
Ma'am, so after that, due to BPT, BD by DA is equal to BE by EC. Name this one as equation 2. And then from 1 and 2, we get that BF by FE is equal to BE by EC.
So always one mistake done by student. Generally here they will take BF by FE. So it should be start from B only. BD by AD it should come. And then BE by EC. So it is also started from B. So the other side also you have to start from B. BD by BA. Don't make it as AD by DB is equal to BE by EC. Not accepted. You cannot use that. You cannot, here you are starting with BE. So first vertex you have considered as B. So for the other side also you have to consider vertex as B, not A. So don't make it AD by BD is equal to BE by EC. That's wrong. And given to prove everything you have to write that carries 1 mark. If you don't write that, you will not get that mark. In this triangle, big triangle, in that DE is parallel to QO, DF is parallel to OR, we have to prove EF is parallel to QR. So use two triangles. In this one here, DE is parallel to QO, OQ, DF is parallel to OR. Now use this triangle POQ given to prove you have to write. Given is DE parallel to OQ, DF parallel to OR, and here we have to prove EF parallel to QR. No construction, so direct proving. Proof. In that, which triangle you are using for BPT, that you have to mention. Triangle POQ, DE parallel to OQ. So therefore, by BPT, PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO. This is first. Then second triangle. Which triangle we have to use? The
Ma'am, POQ.
POQ just now we have used.
No, sorry, POR.
POR. Which sides are parallel?
DF and OR. DF and OR.
DF parallel to OR.
Oh,
So by BPT, what is
Uh,
the statement?
BPT.
Yeah.
Ma'am, and two.
No, not that statement. Mathematical statement for this triangle.
Okay. Ma'am, it's PD by DO is equal to PF by FR.
So from 1 and 2, what we can say?
PE by from 1 and 2, P by EQ is equal to PF by FR.
PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. So this means
By converse of BPT, what is that? EF is parallel to QR.
yes.
When we write by BPT, so should we state the theorem also, or is it just fine if we write by BPT?
No, write BPT only. By BPT.
Ma'am, usually these questions are for how many marks?
2 more.
Okay.
Ma'am, what's theorem 6.1?
BPT. Sorry, Converse BPT.
Okay.
No, BPT is. 6.1 is BPT, 6.2 is Converse BPT.
Ma'am, we had proved this last year.
Yeah. Now by using BPT, you have to prove it. Last year you have proved a very long method. Now it is easy method. Prove that line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. That means this is converse midpoint. We have to prove it by using BPT theorem. So in a triangle,
Ma'am, 4-line answer, right? 4-line answer.
what?
Small answer this is right. Just state the theorem and
Yeah. A, B, C, D, and E. What they have given? D is midpoint of AB, BE parallel to BC. Then we have to prove that E is midpoint of AC. So what are the things given? D is midpoint of AB, DE is parallel to BC. We have to prove E is midpoint of AC. That is, we have to prove AE is equal to EC. Now how to prove it? We have D is midpoint of AB. So therefore, AD is equal to DB. So this means what is the ratio of AD by DB?
1.
1.
1 by
1 is to
1. Okay, this is equation 1. Now it is given DE is given parallel to BC. So we have to use BPT by BPT theorem. What is the statement?
AD by DB is equal to AE by EC.
AD by DB is 1. So 1 by 1 is equal to AE by EC. Cross multiply. AE is equal to EC. So therefore, E is midpoint of EC. Clear?
Ma'am, can you show from the beginning, ma'am? Ma'am, can you scroll it down?
Ma'am, I finished the 8th one.
Good.
I'm completed.
Ma'am, done.
Everyone completed? Everyone, have you finished or I need to solve it?
I'm done, ma'am.
Sixth one, I will. It's fifth one, seventh. Sixth one, I will. We'll do it. ABCD is a trapezium.
Ma'am, we have to make a construction in this.
ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC. Its diagonal intersect each other at point O. Show that AO by OC is AO by OB is equal to CO by BO. Given AB parallel to DC, that is only given. We have to prove AO by BO is equal to CO by BO. We have to do construction here. We have to draw a line parallel to DC passing through O. Suppose OG. Draw OG parallel to DC. Only one side we are drawing, full side we are not drawing. Proof. Here two triangles are formed. OG is parallel to DC and DC is parallel to AB. So therefore, OG is parallel to AB as well. AB, GO and DC, all three are parallel to each other. Now use GO parallel to DC in triangle ABC. Therefore, by BPT it is AG by GD is equal to AO by OC, right? Now same OG is parallel to BA. So in triangle ADB, you can use AG by GD is equal to DO by BO by DO. And then equal AG by GD is equal in both the ratios. So you have to equate those two. But now what is asked? AO by OB is asked. So cross multiply. Now take OB on LHS and OD on RHS.
Ma'am, isn't that the converse of that?
Yes.
Ma'am, you should do it.
Yes, right.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, construction is same, right?
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
for construction, can we write draw OG parallel to DC parallel to AB?
Then if you show DC parallel to AB, then what is the meaning of proving that? That is only you have to prove, no? ABCD is a trapezium.
Or we have to do it separately?
Not separately, only one side parallel you have to show. OG is parallel to either AB or CD. And you have to show the other sides are also parallel. OG is parallel to the second side also. That you have to prove.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm done.
I'm done.
I'm done.
Here are the same construction. First, sorry, they already have given. Now you take OG parallel to DC. Yes, Rishi, how you have proved?
Ma'am, I've named the
My
OG
mic is
different.
wrong.
I named it as EO.
What?
OG, I named it as OE actually. So it might get confused.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so construction, I drew EO. Okay. EO parallel to AB, ma'am. I took EO parallel to AB. Now proof. Ma'am, they have given that AO by BO equals CO by DO, right?
Oh.
So, ma'am, after that, I just cross multiplied them both, and then, like how we did in the previous question, I took after that I did AO by CO equals BO by DO. OC, yeah. And that's equation one. Ma'am, after that, in triangle DAB, EO is parallel to AB. Ma'am, therefore, DE by EA equals DO by BO by basic proportionality theorem. Equals DO by BO. PPT. Ma'am, I took the reciprocal of that, and then AE by ED equals BO by DO.
Here in the
That's
beginning
equation two.
only you can write that.
Okay. Ma'am, so from first and second equation, AO by CO equals AE by ED. Ma'am, therefore OE parallel to CD. Ma'am, now AB is parallel to OE as well as OE is also parallel to CD. and therefore ABCD is a trapezium with two sides parallel, with one pair of sides parallel. Ma'am, is it correct?
Yes. So here first taken EO is parallel to AB. So therefore by BPT, AE by ED is equal to BO by OD. Now BO by OD, when the relation equation is given, in that after cross multiplication we can calculate the value of OB by OD. OB by OD is equal to AO by OC. And OB by OD you already have shown is equal to AE by DE. So therefore AE by DE is equal to AO by OC. Then converse BPT, EO will parallel to DC. We have taken construction EO parallel to AB, and by proving we have proved EO is parallel to DC. So therefore AB and DC are parallel to each other. If AB and DC are parallel, then ABCD is a trapezium with one side parallel. Clear? Sixth question left out. Last two questions what you have done, those can be easily solved by similarity also. So you are doing it again. There is also question is asked again in the next exercise. Now you can prove this. It's easy. Are you able to see?
Yeah, ma'am.
Try. Sneha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
There are three triangles. Use three triangles. And BPT.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, done. So this is the first exercise done. So your homework is RD.
Ma'am, this one, how we do this one, ma'am? I don't know where to start only.
What?
This question on the screen, 6.21.
AB given, AB is parallel to PQ. So which
Yes,
triangle
ma'am.
consists of AB and PQ?
PO. Okay. Understood.
POQ triangle. So OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ. Now
Yeah.
AC is parallel to PR.
Then POR, triangle
PR
POR.
triangle. Then again AO by PA is equal to OC by CR. So
Okay.
therefore equate two equations. OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR.
Therefore, the converse of
By converse
BPT,
BPT, BC
BC
parallel
parallel
to
to
QR.
PR.
Yes.
Okay.
Exercise 7.2. 8 questions are there. RD 7.2. You're
Okay, the
finishing.
whole exercise.
Whole exercise, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
There is only BPT, you have to use it, find cross multiply to get the value of X. All the questions.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, did you give some homework? I wasn't there. I had to leave due to power cut. So can you repeat the homework again?
7.2. Exercise 7.2 RD.
Ma'am, full exercise.
Yeah. Eight questions are there. Actually, not eight. There is
Ma'am,
first and second has sub questions.
when to submit?
Tomorrow. No, it is on Monday, no? Tomorrow, no class.
Tomorrow test.
Tomorrow test only.
Ma'am, tomorrow is life process test, no?
Yeah.